Welcome back to another video, PharMore Money family. Today we're going to be talking about Paysafe, which is a fintech company. Stock price is $13.80. Paysafe, guys, is a 20-year-old company with about 3,400 employees, over $1.5 billion in revenue. It's an incredible opportunity, a buying opportunity as well, because it's in the same league as PayPal, Square, amongst other fintech players out there. So tons of upside. Most analysts have this pegged for a 10 to 30x opportunity over its lifespan. This is one of those companies that it's already established. It did go through a SPAC merger, but it is already established and has a ton of upside as it moves forward. So some of the key reasons to like it: Bill Foley is behind the merger. The man is like a legend in the financial service industry. He's got a strong history of working on big, multi-billion-dollar platforms. He's completed over 100 acquisitions. So think of Fidelity National, Fidelity Information Services, Black Knight Financial, Dun & Bradstreet, Ceridian. All of them multi-billion-dollar companies. As I said, Paysafe has been around for quite some time. It was founded in 1996. It's a leading global payments provider, and they're focused on digital commerce and iGaming transactions. So we're going to dive in this video to take a look at all the different things that Paysafe is working on or doing, more specifically in relations to their iGaming sector. They hold the number 2 market share position in the global digital wallet market, and that plays heavily into their iGaming sector. So let's dive in. So let's dive into Paysafe's iGaming presence. So Paysafe's most successful endeavor is its iGaming eCash network, which facilitates online gaming payments. So they've got a presence in over 50 markets. The platform can help Paysafe make its mark, basically, in the lucrative sports betting industry in the U.S. Paysafe is number 1 in the iGaming eCash network segment. Customers for this segment include Fortnite, Twitch, and Spotify technologies. Moreover, as iGaming picks up across the nation, Paysafe's online gaming payments platform will see a lot of activity. So the company saw $92 billion in payment volume last year just from DraftKings itself. So a big piece of their iGaming presence is DraftKings, along with also Roblox, which many of you have probably already heard of. So tons of upside on that piece from being in partnership with these two players, and that's where their number 2 market share position in the global digital wallet market comes into play as well, because they've got almost 4 million active users from DraftKings for its digital wallet segment. So pretty impressive stuff, guys. So Paysafe is a proven leader in iGaming, and it's well poised to be successful in the highly attractive U.S. iGaming market as well. So they're already in partnership with DraftKings, a few of the state lottery spots as well. So there's a ton of promise from that standpoint. In general, the iGaming or online gambling market size is expected to grow at a compound annual growth rate of 11.5% from 2020 to 2027. So for Paysafe, this is a unique opportunity because they can make a huge name for themselves. The company already estimates that its 2021 payment volume will hit $103 billion. That's a billion. Revenue of $1.5 billion is estimated for fiscal 2021, which is absolutely astronomical and huge. And then Paysafe said revenue will grow at a compounded annual growth rate of 11%. As I said, from 2020 to 2027. So once again, it's just absolute massive numbers that Paysafe is putting up and out. And we need to really pay attention to the fact that, this player is here to stay, and their valuation might not be where Square and PayPal are today, but it will get there, and very soon, possibly. So, PharMore Money family, as I mentioned, Paysafe is going to continue winning in high growth and profitable markets. The fact that from a gaming standpoint, they already have Roblox, Stadia under them, along with social media platforms like Twitch, Spotify, even part of YouTube. These are some massive things that they're working on to pivot themselves to be leaders in this sector. And I keep mentioning it. I know everyone talks about Square and PayPal, and their high valuations and the share price that they sit at currently. But there's more promise from Paysafe than any of them, because when it's sitting at only $13, and we have that opportunity that this could 10x, 20, 30x over the next few years. That's just incredible opportunity to not to pass up, basically, and we shouldn't pass it up. We should take full advantage of it. So something cool that Paysafe is actually working on right now is their development of product through Amazon Web Services, guys. So they signed a global multi-year agreement with Amazon Web Services to become fully cloud-based in terms of payments, and that would include its broad portfolio of workloads include eCash solutions, the Paysafe card, Paysafe Cash, along with all its digital wallets that are out there as well. Which, for those of you that are wondering, the digital wallet segment is expected to have $500 million in revenue for 2021 for Paysafe. So that's just incredible, stuff from that standpoint. The Amazon Web Services partnership will enable Paysafe to utilize data to drive customer acquisition and engagement, as well as to run and scale products and application for its North American and European operations. Paysafe stated that it is creating a centralized, curated, and secured repository for all of its consumer and merchant data using Amazon Simple Storage. So basically, guys, this company, it's obviously not a startup. It's been around for over 20 years. It's a profitable company, proven track record, robust sales, lucrative, compound annual growth rate by the time it gets to 2027. For me, it's a long-term hold, and I do honestly think that this is a company that, when it's in the same discussions as PayPal and Square, can run up at least 10 to 20x over the next few years. So look forward to seeing where Paysafe goes from here. If you've enjoyed this video, if you did, please go ahead and hit the like button, and please do subscribe. Turn on your notifications, as videos are going to continue to pour in as we move forward through 2021. This is going to be the road and journey to wealth and to just massive portfolio returns as we move forward. Thanks, everyone.